In today's video, I'll teach you how to change name and username on Instagram. So first of all, launch open Instagram. You can see over here I've opened it. Now tap on the me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. So if you want to change your name and username, tap on this option edit profile that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to edit your profile informations. So if you want to change your name, tap on the field of name. Now after you do that, you'll be able to change your name. So what you have to do is simply erase your initial name. Now enter the new name over here. Keep in mind you can only change your name twice within 14 days. Now tap on the done icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option change name. Now after you do that, your name will be changed. Likewise, tap on the field of username. Now you'll be able to change the username. So what you have to do is tap on the field of username, erase the initial username. Now enter the new username over here. Make sure the username is available. You can edit your username up to 5 times in 30 minutes. Now tap on the done icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now wait for a while. Now after you do that, your username will also be changed. Now your name and username has been changed on Instagram. So that is how you change name and username on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.